We're coming outside today again because it's so nice out, but it's supposed to get cold. So try to spend some time outside with your family today.
Yeah.
You want to tell them what today's book is?
Yeah, I want to do.
Okay.
And today we'll be reading The Bear Snores On. The Bear Snores On. The Bear Snores On.
Okay, let's see. Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the cold long winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, and he sleeps through the night. Good job. The cold winds howl and the night signs growl. But Bear
Snores on.
snores on.
The bear snores on.
Sounds like somebody in our house snores too.
Yeah.
Who snores in our house?
Two.
Ah, no! Daddy snores in our house.
No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't.
An itty bitty mouse, pip-pat, tip-toe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff and cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dark. So he lights some wee twigs with a small, hot spark.
With a small.
We didn't get very much snow this year, did we?
No.
The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear two glowing eyes sneak a peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in.
Okay.
Ho
Let me
Mouse.
show you the hair in case the cat sees.
Okay, I will. Ho Mouse, says Hare, long time no see. So they pop some white corn and they brew some tea. Okay, show them what the hare is.
That's the hair.
So what is a hare? A different word for hare is what?
A bunny.
What? A bunny?
A bunny.
I know that one of you guys has a bunny at home. His name is Peter. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on.
He is so snowy.
He is so snory. A badger scuttles by, and he sniffs the air. I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share. I've brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up,
scooter?
cozy down, and dig in. You can go do your scooter. Tell them where you're going, though.
Scooter, guys. You want to watch me?
Maybe later. Let's finish our book, right? And they nibble and they munch with a chew-chomp crunch. But the bear snores on. They have so many snacks now that they're all coming to share. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night and what a storm!" Twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. There was a storm last night. They tweet and they titter. They chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on. All those people are in there and he's still sleeping? In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Uh-oh. The bear sneezed. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, and he growls and he grumbles. Uh-oh. I hope he's not mad.
He is mad.
Uh-oh, you've snuck in my lair and you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and I had none. He whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look, see? We can pop more corn and we can brew more
corn.
tea. What a
More
nice
tea.
friend.
Yeah.
Bear was so sad that he missed all the fun.
Yeah. He missed all the fun.
Bear glups and he gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear cannot sleep.
Bear cannot sleep. Let me set him up.
Okay.
He's holding the ball. And that's the crow, and that's the little baby. And that's the badger, and that's the hare.
You guys see all those? They're having a big party. But his friends snore on. Oh no!
Look at the little mouse on his shoulder.
What in the world? So Bear's finally awake and now his friends are too tired to play.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed this book and I hope you guys get out to play.
Yeah.